Okay, great. So now we're going to try to solve the same problem. We're going to try to find all the areas in our two-dimensional array that are evenly divisible by 3 using the find function with linear indexing. Alright, so first we're going to need to think about what we mean by linear indexing. I'm going to go ahead and make a new cell here and clear CLC and then reload our lecture16.mat data file. Okay, so let's run that and let's take a look at our areas vector again. Okay, so with linear indexing, MATLAB does its thing where it starts in the top left, goes down, and then over to the next column and down, and over to the next column and down. Okay, so the 10 will be in position 1, the 12 coming down will be in position 2, the 15, so coming back up, is position 3, down to 18 is position 4, up and over to 20 is position 5, and down to 24 is in position 6. Alright, so those are the linear indices for this two-dimensional array. Okay, and the note here says that we should use the find function with linear indexing. Okay, so we're going to call find. It's just this, find. It's a function in MATLAB. And now we give it a condition, and so our condition is that the remainder of areas divided by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so that condition goes in the parentheses that indicate the input to the find function, and then we need to assign the output, so we will assign the output to a variable called lin indices for linear indices. Okay, so the linear indices corresponding to the areas being evenly divisible by 3 will be something. Okay, so let's think about what that something is going to be. So again, let's circle the areas that meet our condition that they're divisible by 3. So again, that's the 15, the 12, the 18, and the 24. So those linear indices are the 2 right here, the 3, the 4, and the 6. Okay, so I'm going to predict that our lin indices variable is going to contain a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 6. Okay, so let's run this section and see if that's what we get. Oh dear, so now it's underneath my writing. There it is. 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, perfect. Now it says that we should index out the good areas. Okay, so again, this is indexing, so let's create a variable called good areas again, and we are going to index out of the areas two-dimensional array with our lin indices vector that we just created. Alright, so basically MATLAB is going to go grab the area from the second position, then from the third position, then from the fourth position, and then from the sixth position, and we should get a column vector with those areas. So let's go ahead and run this. So we should get, let's look at areas again, we should get 12, 15, 18, 24 in that order in a column vector. So let's run this, and there it is, 12, 15, 18, 24. Alright, so we have successfully used the find function with linear indexing to identify the areas that are evenly divisible by 3.